Hi everyone, in today's lesson we are going to learn about how to explain a picture. So let's do without wasting any time. The boy picking apples is about 10 years old. He has short brown hair and is wearing a blue shirt with brown shorts. He stands carefully on a tall wooden ladder, reaching up to pick red apples from the tree. His face shows a happy smile because he enjoys helping. The basket beside him is already half full of apples. The tree is large with green leaves and the apples shine in the sunlight. This boy is careful, making sure he picks the best apples. His actions show he loves being outdoors and working hard, enjoying simple tasks like picking fruit. In the picture, the boy sitting beside the ladder looks around 8 or 9 years old. He is wearing a red shirt and simple brown pants. He sits calmly on the ground, watching his friend pick apples from the tree. His face shows a gentle smile, and he seems relaxed and content. He might be waiting to help, or perhaps he's just enjoying the fresh air and the peaceful surroundings. A small basket is near him, ready to hold more apples. This boy seems thoughtful, enjoying the moment, and perhaps thinking about how he can join in or help in some other way. He adds to the calm, happy feeling of the scene. The boy fishing is sitting near a calm, peaceful lake. He is about the same age as the apple-picking boy, wearing a red shirt and light pants. His fishing rod is long, and he watches the water closely, waiting for a fish to bite. The boy seems focused, enjoying the quiet of the lake. His patience shows that he understands fishing requires time and care. The area around him is green with plants, and the water reflects the clear blue sky. This boy enjoys being near the water and loves catching fish, feeling proud when he succeeds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.